Hello guys, welcome to Make Mr. channel. So today we are here to discuss very important topic, that is how to use correctly Naukri.com to find a job. So I will share a few tips where by that tips you can easily find out the job within a few days, less than a week. So I'll share some key details which normally people don't know, and they doesn't find their dream jobs. So in this situation of COVID, you can easily find out or switch your job by Naukri.com. So stay with me till the end, and I will directly go to Naukri.com and show you what are the tips how to use this. So we will start one by one. Here on the screen you can see there I have taken few tips, so we will discuss one by one, and at the end I will share with you the three golden tips which will be very useful to you to find a job. So let's start. First is 100% updated profile. So what does this mean? It means on Naukri.com your profile should be 100%. He's here it's 45% complete, but you have to complete, means your profile should be 100% completed. Then only when a recruiter is coming to search, your profile will be visible. Otherwise when a recruiter will search, your profile will be far below, and he will not able to find your profile. So first and most important thing is your profile strength, that should be 100% here. You have to update all the things. Okay, next is regular update. So once your profile is 100% updated, it doesn't mean that you don't have to update. See, the people who update their profile daily, then their resume or their profile shows on the top when a recruiter go and search. When a recruiter go and search, if you are regularly updating on your profile daily basis, then your profile will be shown on the top and he can easily find out. Otherwise you will be on top below, and no and recruiter doesn't go generally much more below to second page or third page or fourth page where your profile will lie, to see actually your profile. So when you are at the top, your chances of getting selected or profile shortlisted is very high, more than 100%. So the thing is that you have to update regularly means if you are very keen to find a job, I will say you go and update daily. And if you are already in a job and you are searching for next dream job, you can update weekly as well, weekly as well, that is okay. But when you are jobless or you are searching with very interest and you want to change a job within a week, you have to update your profile regularly. Okay, and after that, next action is pending actions. So your profile shows pending actions. Okay, here see 8 pending actions are there. So you have to verify your mobile number, add resume, add photo. That's what all the things are there that are the pending. You have to add the language, job profile, education. So there all the pending actions should be completed on priority. Okay, then only your chances of profile getting selected will be high. So pending actions should be nil. That's the major thing. Okay, so that should be taken care. There should be zero pending actions. Now I'll tell the most important thing, that is key skills. When recruiter go on the Naukri.com, he searches the candidates by the key skills. So key skills means what? So you have to add key skills like if your skill is I'll say some software, okay, so you have to add, like software testing is your key skill, so you have to add. If your profile is of software testing, the recruiter, when he will search software testing, your profile will be directly displayed over the his search. Test engineering, if your manual testing, if you are doing manual testing, you have to add this. So there are certain limit 168 characters, so you have to add complete key skills like design. If your is web designing or graphic designing, then you have to add your key skill and you have to save it. When any recruiter goes and he searches by key skill, like if he want a web designer, he will directly search web designer, and if you have added in your key skills, your profile will directly visible on his screen, and the chances of selecting will be very high. Okay, so key skill very important. Now resume headline. Your resume headline should be attractive and complete, okay, because when he is searching your profile, your resume headline is the first thing which will be visible to him. So, okay, so like here it should be short and complete informative. There should be complete information and it should be short and attractive. So that's the only thing recruiter will see. Like here I have seen technical trainer with 15 years of experience in training, working in ABC company in Mumbai. So this statement completes all your basic information, means you have this number of experience in this field and you are working in this company at this location. So resume headline is very very important, and you have to draft it very nicely. It should be complete information, then only your chances of your profile getting shortlisted will be high. Okay, now after this complete things, means your profile is 100% complete. Now I'll share the 3 tips. So final tips are you have to regularly update your profile. You have to regularly visit your profile and update on daily basis. That will increase your chances of this profile selection. Second is the apply maximum job as possible. Apply all job related to your field. As much you apply, your probability of getting selected will be high. So apply as maximum as possible. You can call, mail and contact by email provided there. So you have to apply as much as possible. So that's the second thing which you have to follow. Third is try for maximum number of interviews. When you will apply, definitely and when you will apply and you will contact on the mail IDs and telephone numbers, WhatsApp number given on the website, then definitely you will get maximum number of calls. But now you have to attend all the interviews, so that's important. First is you will get the experience and knowledge, and your chance more dream job you can get easily, because when you will give number of experience, you will get to know how the trends of questions are going on, what's the market, how market is going on, what the current level of proficiency that market is requiring, and you will definitely gain the confidence. So these are the 3 tips. In every job there will be these mail IDs given, like here, see, you have to send your resume to them. You can contact them on the phone, or sometimes they are providing the WhatsApp number. So that's how you have to do. See here, you can go to job search. Now in job search you can write like mechanical engineer. If you are searching job for mechanical engineer, there will be lots of jobs. Now by location you can shortlist. By location, in Mumbai there are 2800 jobs. By salary you can shortlist salary range. By job type you can shortlist it. Then by job posting, by company or job consultant. Then by education, by industry you can shortlist. So these are the different things on the basis you can find out your job. So hope you have find this video useful. So I'll this is a lecture series and I'll keep on sharing and the next video. So stay tuned with me and you will learn much more things with this. So thank you very much. Please please subscribe my channel, join my channel, and thank you very much.